In this module, we're going to show you exactly how to use this course together with the ultimate digital cash flow vault, so you can get the most out of both resources. You'll learn how to connect what you're learning here with the done-for-you products in the vault, how to choose the right ones for your niche, and how to take action step by step. Think of the vault as your toolbox, and this course as the instruction manual. When you use them together, building your digital product business becomes simple, strategic, and incredibly powerful. Let's walk through how to make the most of it. This course is designed to work hand in hand with your access to the ultimate digital cash flow vault. Inside the vault, you'll find a growing library of ready-to-use digital products, including ebooks, templates, workbooks, checklists, and more. Each of them comes with specific rights that allow you to sell, customize, or bundle them, depending on the license. As you move through this course, you'll learn exactly how to take those products and turn them into real income. You'll learn how to rebrand them so they look and feel unique. You'll learn how to enhance them using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and AI design tools. You'll learn how to package them into offers, how to set up your online store, and how to start selling on platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or StanStore. You'll also see how to build simple funnels to automate sales and grow your list. So you're not just making one-time sales, but building a digital asset that grows over time. The Vault gives you the tools. This course shows you how to use them strategically. So you're not just uploading products, you're building a real brand with income potential. The two resources are designed to work together. Each time you finish a module in this course, take a look inside the Vault and ask yourself, which product could I use this with? Then apply what you just learned. That's how you turn digital files into digital profits. Whether you're just getting started or already experimenting with digital products, the Vault combined with this training gives you a clear, repeatable path to follow. You don't need to create everything from scratch. You just need to know how to work smarter. That's exactly what we're here to do.